Is there anything better than making money while you sleep? I mean, wouldn't you love to wake up with an influx of cash creeping into your bank account? Does it sound too good to be true? Since we still live in the age of internet, it's not that difficult to make some money on the side. So in this video, I'm going to give you some of the insights on how to generate passive income with minimum efforts. So if you want to set yourself up for life, you'll better listen up. Hey, what's up? Gerhard here with Business Vision, bringing you the best tips and tools for building your business with online video. And on this channel, I do a lot of business-related videos as well as other useful content, just like this one. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. And now, let's dive right in. Passive income is the long-term choice that requires short-term trade-offs. If you are willing to commit to the ideas and steps in this video, you could be earning effortlessly in years to come. Before covering some of the best passive income ideas that you can use to automate your revenue, it's important to understand what this concept means and what it doesn't. It's easy to think of passive income as money earned while sitting on a beach and sipping mojitos. But when an income stream is passive, yes, it requires a little to no maintenance to keep the money flowing. However, that doesn't mean it can be completely ignored or forgotten about. Quite the contrary, it's important to track every passive income stream and watch it like hawk, no matter how automated it might be. So as you can see, building a passive income stream usually isn't passive at first. It requires the upfront investment of significant amount of time, money, skills, or all three of those, and usually with little to no returns for extended periods. But let me remind you what Warren Buffett said. Have a look at this quote right here. Can you find any stronger motivation than this? I doubt it. The allure of passive income is exciting. I mean, if the idea of making money in your sleep doesn't excite you, I check your pulse. So how can you get some sweet passive income, or let's call it mailbox money, for yourself? Let's take a closer look at the options available to most of you. I think I will start with my favorite type of passive income stream. Investing in stocks that pay monthly, quarterly dividends is the oldest and one of the best ways to generate passive income. In case you don't know what I'm talking about, a dividend is a distribution of a portion of company's profits. So the company made some profits and then they're so generous that they share a proportion of their profits with you. And that's very cool, right? I believe that looking at it from this perspective gives us a clear understanding that stocks are great resources to generate passive income. And what is more, you won't even need to sell those to get that income. Let's say you buy shares of Coca-Cola stock. When you buy stock, the price is likely to increase over time and you will get paid for each share of stock you own. As you can see, over the past 5 years, Coca-Cola has paid between 33 and 41 cents each quarter for every single share owned by shareholders. Do the proper research and due diligence on finding the right dividend-paying stocks. You don't need to start out by knowing everything because we can't know all the information available, but you do need a desire to learn and understand what you're investing in. Start small and build up from there while constantly keeping an eye out for high-income paying dividend stocks. Keep in mind that you will need to buy a significant number of shares to see a healthy stream of revenue from whatever dividend stock you end up selecting. However, if you're trying to develop a long-term investment strategy, you might want to reinvest those dividends to make this money help you gain even larger returns. But if you're strictly looking for passive income, you can cash out those dividends very easily. Do you have a technical skill and want to convey that skill to others out there to generate a healthy passive income stream? Perhaps you have a specific knowledge or excelled skill level with a particular topic. You can use the skills that you earned during a very long career to make your money. Creating an online course on Udemy is a great way to automate some of your cash flow. However, like any other income stream that's passive, it takes a significant amount of effort on the front end. With this in mind, making money with online course sales is not as easy as turning on a switch. You have to create a course first, which can require weeks or months to develop. Once you're done with the work required to create your product, however, the income can become passive. One of my friends launched her copywriting freelance course in 2019 and has sold over 200 courses for I think it was $199 each since then. Then 2 months ago, she launched a new pro version of her course which retails for $299. And guess what? She sold over 30 copies on the first day. Some might say that selling 200 courses doesn't sound like a lot. But when the price of your course is $100 or more, you don't have to sell thousands to earn considerable income. Just do your maths. Have you ever purchased an online course? Did you find it valuable? If so, do you think you can monetize the skills you learned? Let me know below in the comment section. Investing in rental properties is an effective way to earn passive income, but it often requires more work than people expect. For example, if your goal is to earn $10,000 a year in rental income and the property has a monthly mortgage of $2,000 and costs another $300 a month for taxes and other expenses, you'd have to charge over $3,000 to reach your goal. It all looks very cool, but a few more things you need to consider. For example, is there a market for your property? Or what if you get a tenant who will pay late or damage your property? Or maybe you will even not be able to rent out your property. Any of these factors can put a big dent on your passive income. Now, let's imagine that you already own the property. In that case, the easy way to make money while you are on vacation or out of town is renting out your whole place on Airbnb. It might feel a bit weird leaving your space in the hands of strangers, but luckily Airbnb has up to $1 million of insurance in case something goes wrong. There is also a rating system, so you can review the renter's reputation before letting them rent your place. What is more, you can also rent out your garage, parking space, or unused office space. It's a nice additional income without doing any work except placing an ad online. Just be aware that if you are not the owner of the place, there may be a stipulation in your rental agreement which makes Airbnb a no-go. When you have an online presence, you have a place to give recommendations and share your knowledge about products. So how to get started? You'll need a blog. Affiliate marketing is considered passive because in theory, website owners, social media influencers, and bloggers can earn money by simply adding a third-party product link to their website or social media account. However, this isn't easy by any measure. The product you promote online should be something you know about or you believe is high quality. However, in reality, you won't earn anything unless you can attract people to your site to make them click on the link and buy something. So if you're just starting out, you'll have to take time to create content and build traffic through your social media account or your website. In other words, to succeed in affiliate marketing, you will need a large audience on your platform. While online courses are products that you can sell over and over again, there are other types of digital products you might want to dive into. I'm talking about ebooks, online instruction guides, and basically anything you can market and sell online. Let's take, for example, ebooks. Well, books. They are in a format that can be delivered and downloaded online. Also, you won't need to rely on editor or publisher telling you whether your book will be published or not. And you won't have the need to rely on a bookstore to put your book on the shelves. You are in complete control of the entire process. You can set up your own website and sell your ebook directly online, for example in a PDF format. A simple shopping cart or a PayPal link is all what you need to start. When a reader visits your site, they order and then they get a link to download your ebook. So it's pretty much all automated. You only need to keep an eye on the things to make sure that your website is running smoothly. In fact, you are going to handle everything yourself, including marketing and selling. And that means you get to keep all the profits. They're nothing to sneeze at. Have you ever had an experience of writing and selling your own ebook? If so, let me know below in the comment section so I can check that out. So the bottom line is, think of an online product that you can create that solves a problem or provides a service. Once you create it, you can sell it over and over again and generate passive income in your sleep. If you've proven yourself to be an authority figure, then you can create a membership community where subscribers pay a monthly fee to receive a high-quality content and information that's not available for non-members. To give you a better understanding, it's like gym memberships that require monthly payments. So membership sites are places where people join to get whatever you have to offer. Most common things that membership sites have to offer is something like video tutorials, webinars, checklists, and many more things. You might be wondering why people would join a paid community. Generally, people join membership sites because they simplify their lives, speed up learning curves, or give greater detail on how to do something compared to general content available online. As you can see, membership sites are an awesome business model. If you have a useful offer for the right market, they are super great. Let me give you some extra motivation. If you have a membership site and you are able to retain a good percentage of your members, then you can count on regular income as opposed to starting from $0 every month. For example, if you have 100 members, which is not a lot, paying $20 a month, you can, for the most part, count on $2,000 per month income as long as you retain your membership numbers. What is more, you can run your membership site anywhere and anytime as long as you have your internet access. Perhaps the most popular way to earn passive income is by launching your own blog. It only takes a couple of minutes to set up and is cheap to start. Just purchase a domain name and pay for hosting. Or you can go with the least expensive option and just start your own blog on Instagram. After that, start creating amazing content that people would be interested in reading and sharing. For example, if you're an accountant who has helped many small business owners with their taxes, that could be your blog. I personally have a business blog to help people to know everything there is to know about having your own business. And what is more, it draws thousands of views every month. Make sure the topics you write about are popular. Once you've gained the following, then you can make money off your blog by several options. As we've discussed earlier, earning commissions as an affiliate is an option, but make sure these products or services are relevant to your blog. For example, that accounting blog we talked about earlier can become an affiliate for invoicing software. Once you find an affiliate partner, you will be given a unique code. So whenever a visitor clicks on that link on your site, you will get your commission. As we all know, another option to make money off your blog is by selling advertising. If your site has enough traffic to become an affiliate, then it may also be good enough for advertisers to purchase ads on your site. You may start off small, like making under 20 bucks an ad, but you may eventually be able to charge triple digits. Again, the blog must be quality. I think some of you guys might have your own blogs, and if so, let me know below in the comment section the topic of your blog and how much passive income are you able to generate each month. Blogs can generate a tremendous amount of income, but not quickly. If you plan to start your own blog, understand that it will take a vast amount of time and work to succeed. Regardless of your niche, as long as you have a clear understanding of search engine optimization, social media marketing, and the ability to write high-value content, then you will succeed in your blog. Are you a photographer or someone who simply enjoys snapping pictures? Put that talent to use, guys. If you want to make some extra money from your photos, another opportunity for passive income is to leverage photo selling websites to earn money while you sleep. The easiest way to make your photos available for sale as stock images is to use third-party sites such as Adobe Stock, Shutterstock, or anything similar to this. Clearly, you need to understand photography and things like Photoshop if you're serious about succeeding in photo selling business, because there is a lot of competition when engaged in this line of work. However, if you have a knack for photography, then selling your photos online should come almost natural to you. Get really good with photo editing software and find your niche, whether it's portraits, landscapes, business photography, or something else. Find it and stick to it. Not all of us are going to get rich from our jobs. So if we want to achieve level of financial independence, then we'll need to start earning passive income. The list of passive income streams I mentioned in this video should give you a few ideas. Pick one and get started, but put some effort into it. Front load the work now so you'll have a stream of passive income within a few years. There is no one-size-fits-all advice when it comes to generating passive income streams. How many sources of income you have should depend upon your financial situation and what your financial goals for the future are, but having at least a few is a great start. You just need to realize one thing, that passive income can keep some money flowing when you lose your job or experience some other financial hardship. Finally, if you are worried about being able to save enough of your earnings to meet your retirement goals, then building wealth through passive income is a strategy that might appeal to you. Did this video answer your questions about passive income streams? If so, give it a thumbs up and share it with friends. So thanks for checking out this video, subscribe and ring the bell if you're new here. Until next time, this channel is all about bringing you the best tips and tools for building a business with online video. Keep crushing it and we'll talk soon.